Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on monetization in YouTube Studio so ads can run on your videos. Make sure you meet partner eligibility: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, because without that, ads stay disabled. Once accepted, link or create an AdSense account and complete tax and payment details so you get paid. While you're here, set your channel preferences for ad formats and location. This ensures YouTube can match advertisers to your content quickly and correctly. Next, upload or open the video and go to video details to enable monetization so ads can be attached. Choose ad formats: skippable, non-skippable, overlay, based on viewer experience and revenue goals because each pays differently. For videos longer than 8 minutes, add mid-roll ads manually or let YouTube place them automatically. Mid-rolls increase revenue but can interrupt flow, so place breaks near natural transitions. Also set language, audience, and category so advertisers can target properly. Finally, publish or schedule the video and monitor revenue in Analytics Revenue to confirm ads are serving. If ads aren't showing, check Content ID claims and review YouTube's advertiser-friendly policies because policy mismatches often block ads. If demonetized, edit the content to remove issues or submit an appeal explaining context. Appeals can restore monetization. Make sure to update thumbnails and metadata because accurate metadata improves ad matching and can increase CPM. One tip: keep a clean first 15 seconds to avoid early drop-offs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.